Y'all see that truck? You know what day it is, but today's a little bit special today. Roscoe showed up with a Penske truck. You guys want to see what's in the back of the Penske truck? Hold on. Check it out, guys. This is that Penske truck I was just showing you. It's just filled with toolboxes. All this stuff was stuff that was ordered and customers canceled on or misordered. And there's killer deals like this YF machine right here for the AC. Normally runs 16 and change. And they say they'll take 10 for it. Got some cool boxes, some cool cards. Woo! Man, get me out of here. And here we are on the regular truck. Oh my. Wow, guys. I don't know how it can show justice to this truck. I show it to you all the time, but it always amazes me how full this truck looks. I mean, it's got creepers as you walk in, up the steps. It's got a jack and pry bars and torque wrenches. It's got a light bar. It's got another light. Let's start from this side. Cordless tools. Screwdrivers that are probably on promo.
Probably. They are.
Lights. See, you hear that? He said they are. Air tools. Half-inch wrenches. Ratchets, I'm sorry. Knives. Man.
But yeah, I'm just waiting for that to replenish on the truck. I'll do that.
Look at that. Snap-on leaf blower. Runs off the batteries. It's pretty nice. It's a good hat. AC rolling on the truck, nice and cool. So how's your week going, Roscoe? It's only Tuesday, but how's it going?
It's going. Like slowly but surely.
When you need, oh, look at, there's that cart. That's the same cart I got, fellas. And madams, or fellaettes. It's got a snap-on tool bag. More snap-on storage. Evacuation machines. Just like that is a work table. Welding helmet. Circuit testers. Always loaded up on scan tools. He's got the Noco in here. Drawers full of tools.
See how dark red?
Yeah, that is pretty nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a little extra because of the flex head too.
Oh, mine are flex head. Well, these are flex heads too. Yeah.
No, I'm just trying to think of like the flex head.
So talk to me, how long you had this guy with you?
Since this morning.
How long is he going to be with you? Just today?
Probably the whole day. I'm gonna be missing some shops today, and I wasn't planning on it, but gotta participate.
Yeah, I know, man. It kind of sucks, but what are you going to do?
I stopped the first stop is not even on my stop on Tuesday.
Just trying to lose them.
It's Friday, just because I remembered it's a good, really, really good tire shop. Redlands Tire Shop, check them out. It's a little mom and pop shop, but they're doing very well, and I just figured, like, hey,
where are they at?
Storage. It's really close to here. It's a little mom and pop. I guess right next door is like a used car lot. Yeah, I forgot what street it was. Yes.
Didn't have a big midsection, have to freaking skinny.
What's the raffle for?
Raffle for this one right here. It's like a record player, Bluetooth record player.
Oh, dude.
For every 100 you spend, you get on it.
Sure, Roscoe, I know you want to try to hit as many shops as you want, so I'm not going to talk too long today, but just thanks for letting me film. Thank you for letting me check out the back of that trailer, man. That's really cool. Hopefully you're around when I am ready to buy a box. You know,
Always here.
cool. Sounds good.
Always here.
All right, guys, video's over. To like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Until next time, keep on keeping on. Power Sword Jude.
Out.